then we go down and out. In this way we can make H. Now we will make P from the loop. Now first we make two dots like this. Now we make loop like this, but this time we go down, 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 down in a straight line, and we have to touch this red line. Then we go back like this. Then you go up like this and down and out. Once again I will show you. First we will make two dots. You can make three dots. You can put one dot here also on the red line. Now first we will make loop like this. Then we come down in a straight line and reach the another point which is below the blue line. Now we go back up, 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 up. Now we change our path like this. Then we come down and out from the blue line. In this way we can make P. So let's make F from the loop. Now you all know how we can make loop. We go up, reach the another point, then we come back. Now this time again we will come back in a straight line. We will touch the red line. Now we will go straight, then up, 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 up. Then from here we come out like this. Now once again we will make F. First we will make two dots. You can make three dots also if you want to put another dot here on the red line. That means you have to make one more point in the fourth line. 1, 2, 3 and 4th. Now let's start. First we make the loop like this. Then we come down, 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 down. Then we move quite straight, then up, 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 up. We'll make a circle and out. So in this way we can make F from the loop. Now we will make K from loop. Now first we make the loop like this. Now we go up, up, up. Then we move slightly, change our path like this. Then we make a circle and we'll come back like this. In this way we can make K from the loop. Again I will tell you. First we go up, up, up. Then we make a straight line like this. Then we go back and make a small circle like this. Then we come down, down, down and up. So in this way we can make K from the loop. Let's make T from the loop. It's very easy. What we have to do? First we will make a loop like this. We'll go up, then down, then out like this. Then we put a cut like this on the loop.